Good people, welcome to Bensta Farm, and today's video is all about my hand used to call it gold. The real gold. Yeah, so it's all about onions. I know everybody this year is whichever farmer has water at their disposal, it's all about onion farming, and we are just bringing you a video on onion farming, the best way to do it, the best way, which kind of drip to use, and how to do it organically, how to maximize on each bed. So Victor,
Yes.
handing you over to my guys, to my people,
Yeah.
to educate them on what you do best. That is the onion farming. Yeah. So Victor, just to give us what you do best.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Welcome to JOLES Farm again. Today, as we have been told by my colleague, it's a gold mine crop. Yeah. So today we are going to deal with the onion crop, specifically varieties. There are so many varieties. We have Neptune, we have the other one, the African red. There are so many, more than 7 varieties. And also, it also depends. Normally, the reason why you have said to do with Neptune onion, this crop, it can do very well in dry areas. Si tuko Kambani?
Yes, tuko
Yeah,
Kambani.
tuko Kambani.
Na huku ni kumoto sana, it's very hot, man. See?
Na jana kulinyesha.
Huh?
So you can
And it rained yesterday.
Yeah, last night. So guys, karibuni sana.
Yes.
Karibuni sana. I will take you through.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the gold. This is the gold. You can see how it is neatly done. Huh?
Yeah.
Neatly done. It's 4 drip lines
Yeah.
per bed. Organically done. Guys, nowadays it's all about organic. Eh?
Yes.
It's all about organic
Yeah.
per bed.
Yeah.
And guys, there's something I'm just learning from Victor about drip lines. Eh? So once we get to that drip, we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
They are doing very well. As you can see, it's 4 lines. Victor,
Yes.
tell us about these onions.
Okay, first of all, the onions, they are only 3 weeks old.
These are 3 weeks old.
3 weeks old
Okay. After transfer.
after transplanting.
Transplanting, I mean. Okay.
So they are doing well, as you can see.
Yeah. They're doing very well.
These are people who are doing the weeding. Maybe they are treated
Yeah.
mistakenly.
Mm-hmm.
That is all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the reason why we are doing the 4 drip line per bed.
Mm-hmm.
First, the issue now at our farm, there before we started doing this project of 4 drip line, we have undergone 2 drip line section
Mm-hmm.
in each bed,
Okay.
and believe me, tumeenda, okay, sitasema tumekuwa tumeenda hasara,
But the quantity is less.
the quantity.
Yeah.
So the main purpose ya kutumia 4 drip lines per bed
Yes.
is to increase the quantity first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maximize on the quantity.
Yeah.
That is on each bed. Okay. As you can see. It's 4 drips,
Yeah.
and each drip you plant on each side of each drip,
Yeah.
as you can see. I'm sure you can see the manure used on it. It's a cow dung.
Yeah.
It's cow dung. It's well done. It rained yesterday. The best part is it rained yesterday, so still wet over here. This has been done on a 2-acre piece of land that is in a phased way. Victor?
Yes.
Okay. So, how do you manage this crop?
Okay, what I can say,
Yeah.
you know, in you must find a big challenge.
Yes.
So mostly in onion farming, if you ask every farmer, the farmer will tell you when it comes to weeding,
Yes.
that's where now the
I know.
issue. And you can see now we have done the 4 drip lines.
Yes.
It's a big challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I know, guys, the crazy parts with the onion farming is once you pass on the nursery, you are like, I think you are like 60% done with the onion. No, the other crazy part is transplanting the onions from the nursery to the field. A lot of labor is needed to do that, and you need guys who are trained to do it. Because onion, you're only supposed to plant, an inch. You're supposed to just do an inch of it on the soil. And the other challenge is about weeding. That is where most of the labor comes in again, especially when it's raining. When it's raining season, a lot of weed, and you have to do it manually. So that is the other challenge. The other challenge is when we're now harvesting. Yes, when harvesting the crop and putting it in the bag. The fourth challenge is about storage. You have to have a very good store. Yes, very aerated, very well aerated store, and very good shelves done on the store, just to make sure that the onions are aerated. And once you do a very good store, you are able to store the onions for around 6 months, maybe to wait for good prices. But I've always said a good farmer is the one who doesn't store, does the onions throughout. You don't need to, because you might store it, but unfortunately maybe the storage is leaking and all that. So once the crop or the onions get water, they spoil. So, Vista.
Yes.
Tell us about the drips. I've seen that some of the drips have 2 holes. What are the advantages of installing the drip line which has 2 holes?
Okay, like now here at our farm, there before, we used to deal with drip lines, but we didn't even recognize that there are different drip lines you're supposed to look.
Yes.
So like there before, we used to deal with drip line which has only one dripper, like this one. But little do you know that it's another disadvantage.
Yes.
But currently now, we have decided to deal with another mode of drip line.
So Victor, we were talking about importances of having a drip with 2 holes instead of 1.
Instead of 1.
Yes. Like this one.
So as I was telling you there before,
you
see the advantage of having 2 holes or 2 drippers. It is, you see, if one blocks, the other one, the functionability will still continue. It will continue functioning.
Yes.
You see the one for one dripper. If it blocks, there is no any water that is going to drain.
The plants between here or somewhere here and here are going to die.
A good example is this one. You see, like this one, they have already blocked. There is no life here. So because there is no enough supply of water.
Exactly.
Now this one, I had already replaced it. I replaced it like few weeks ago.
Because you noticed that they are also blocked.
If you can see, there's a difference, even the growth. Because at this point they had already died. But there are some which are trying to regenerate again. Like this one. So the advantage, this is another example or advantage of using 2 drippers. Also, if you look for the 3 drip lines, there's a big difference in terms of growth.
You find that
you see these ones, they are at least they are thin.
Guys, you can see these one are the ones with the 2 drips or two holes. A little bit healthy. As you can see,
compared to this one,
vis-a-vis the one with 1. You see, I'm sure why some of the lines are not don't have seedlings because of the holes are blocked or something. You can see.
So what we usually advise the farmers who want to grow onion, this is the best drip.
So guys, If you want to do onions, please use when you're buying for the drips, please consider the ones with 2 holes.
Yeah.
At least when one blocks or it's dripping slowly, the other one can pick up.
Yeah.
And the pricing is not so much.
Yeah.
I think it's a price of around 2,000
Yeah.
shillings. So, and with that, you are sure that you are, in terms of irrigation, it's 100% that your crop is going to get irrigated.
Yeah.
Vis-a-vis the places with one drip line.
Yeah.
So, guys, this is achieved with practice.
Yeah.
You get to get this knowledge by practicing, and of course experience. One hole you get to be blocked, and then you have to remove basically all that line, or you have to cut it somewhere. You have to get a connector or put it
Yeah.
for the crop to continue getting water, which is a lot. So
Also, we also advise farmers,
yes,
in case there's a lot of blockages in your drips,
uh-huh,
you open the end lines.
yes,
At the end line of each drip we have end caps.
yes,
So you flush.
uh-huh,
Also you can open through the main pipe,
yes,
you remove the end cap.
yes,
You
you flash.
That
Guys,
is the best.
I'm sure some of us do tie at the end of the drip. You tie it with a rubber or something.
Yeah.
Yeah? So those are some of the importances of having an end cap.
Yeah.
End cap you just screw out,
Yeah.
you remove it, and then you flush it out.
Yeah.
And that is the other advantages of having end caps. Guys, well, when you install these drip lines,
Yeah.
you need to ensure that you have filter. You have a very good filter in the main pipe, because these drip holes are blocked by very micro
Yeah.
size particles or something.
Yeah.
So you have to ensure that you have a filter on the main pipe to ensure that all the water coming to these paddocks or whatever, how your farm layout is, the water is clean from particles, which means you will get to run these drip lines for at least 5 years, yeah, before they start toning out. So guys, this is how, with the practice and all that experience and all that, you're able to achieve. And you visiting the farm yourself and ensuring that you walk around and see what is happening, you're able to be experienced and have that knowledge. So please, I know we like, because most of us are in other professions, we like making phone calls, and you need to visit the farm, or you have a very good farm manager to manage your farm and ensure it is checked out on a daily routine, and just ensure everything is running well. If you're not available, just make sure you do a farm manager who is an agronomist or has the expertise to run the farm. I'm sure you have been learning a lot from Victor, from different videos he has been doing, and also it's been an experience. It's been an experience, and we did manage to have we didn't manage to have a very good harvest over the rainy season. You know what happened for the guys who are farming. You know, the rain was a lot, and the farms flooded. Whoever did onions on the rain season was really affected. Whoever did planted anything else, I did beans, and they were really affected. Guys, I've just noticed something which I wondered, we talked about earlier. You can see this area is it's watered, it's wet. This area is dry, and this is one paddock. These are the advantages of having the mini valves in a paddock. See, this is one paddock whereby it has maybe the main valve somewhere.
Yeah.
So you can open it, and then on each drip line there is a mini valve which you can always open and irrigate whatever you want. If the water is not sufficient or you are getting a very big piece of land, so you can always utilize the mini valves. So it's not like it rained on this side.
Okay, in fact, that's what we can do.
Yeah, it's not like it rained here. It did not rain here. You know, it rained overnight, but yeah, those are the advantages of having mini valves. Yes. Maybe Victor, you wanna say something about it?
Okay, what the only advice that I can give to farmers who
Yes.
want to venture in onion farming,
Yes,
always ensure drip irrigation is the best.
it's the best.
And I assure you, if you use the two drippers
Yes.
in each drip line, you are going to achieve 99%.
Yes.
Maybe 1% loss. Maybe if it goes,
Yep.
maybe a loss will come if some people come to your farm and uproot.
Yeah.
Maybe during the weeding.
Yes.
As you have seen,
Yep.
as I went by, there are some onion seedlings which had been uprooted.
Yes. You have to make sure that the guys who are cultivating
you
are
must
well
follow
knowledgeable
them. Yeah.
and can take enough care of the crops not to uproot them.
The other one, ensure there is enough water supply. The other one, you develop the proper right spray plan.
Yes.
The routine.
The routine.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not like if you spray today insecticide, you skip. No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it. You develop a schedule,
Yes.
a spray plan.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one will assist you on the guideline.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, as we end the video, you can see how the onions are coming up. Very healthy. They're well fed. As you can see. We'll be giving you, this is episode 1 of these onion plant, which is, this is 2 weeks, 3 weeks old. So after every 1 month, we'll be giving you another episode of what is the progress of how they are going, how they are proceeding. So with that, I believe you are knowledgeable enough. We are going to learn this together. We're going to experience this together and ensure that we grow together, ensure that we get educated, we feed it the nation together. So in case you have any question, in case you have any advice, please post it. Do a comment. We are here to learn, all of us. We are not, and we are here to give out information freely. So if you have any information which you think we can benefit from, please post it in the comment. Please subscribe. Let's grow this channel. It's a farmer's channel. It's for the guys who want to grow. It's for the guys who want to do farming. It's for the guys who want to be fed with organic food. So guys, let's do this. Let's grow the channel. Let's subscribe. Let's get educated together. It's your agronomist Victor, who has been really of good help to us. So we're going to be coming back after every 1 month just to see what is the progress, and yeah, we get it together. Yeah. So thank you once again. It's your guys from Bensta Farm. Thank you. Ideas.